You see, it's your girl Z Baby with another video. You guys, I'm in Burlington Coat Factory and I am about to get some type of shoes because I need some summer shoes, so that's what I'm finna do. But welcome back to another video, and yeah, shout out to all my new subscribers, subscribe to the channel. But it's music in here, so I'm just gonna turn on my own music. So when I got inside of this Burlington Coat Factory to get some shoes, I didn't think that it was going to be like this. This looks like someone just threw all the shoes on the floor. It looks like a stampede. Like, it was so hard for me to find shoes. Yo, this was the worst I've ever seen this Burlington Coat Factory. I mean, I picked through what I could find, but like, I will not be going to this location ever again. I think I'm gonna go to the one in Laurel. They have a better store, but this store just ran through altogether. Also, there wasn't that many staff members there, so I think this Burlington Coat Factory has less employees. But with less employees, there's no one for recovery. I mean, there was no sales associate, so I don't know if they're going through it on trying to pay people, but I feel like this is so unacceptable for this to be a nice store and everything thrown on the ground. This is the Silver Spring location, and I will be putting the location and words on there. When you go in there, you gotta expect the worst. Right here for $6.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Yes, your girl wears a size 11. Still the floor, and those are cute. They just don't have my size. Alright, so now I'm in line. My lips are chapped. The line is extremely long. Never again. This is why I don't come in Burlington, but these are the things I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get this perfume. I'm gonna get these sippy cups for myself, because this would be perfect for me. They can fit in my purse. I can put all type of stuff in it. Don't judge a girl. The Yamba be by knees. I was originally gonna get these shoes right here, but I'm not getting them no more. Like, I can get them at a different store. It's not what I was looking for. But yeah, these are all the stuff that I got. So I got all my stuff here. I'm so ready to get out this store. I'm so ready. And then I'm gonna get this everywhere at the store. I seriously need some help up in this store. Nothing is where it needs to be. Look at the line, literally. It's ridiculous. I had to put some lip gloss on. My lips were looking a mess, but I've been waiting like 15-20 minutes in this line. This line is not going nowhere. You believe it's Christmas time. That's how long I've been standing in this line. Like, it's not even Christmas time, and the line is super long. So I don't know how much longer I'll be able to stand here, because in a little bit, like, I have another place to go, and this is taking up time for the other place that I need to go. So I have in my hand, I don't know if it's worth me waiting. I just want this bottle, because I've never seen a big bottle like this for $30. So I don't know, in a little bit I might have to exit the store. I don't have anything in my hand. I've wasted 40 minutes in here. This is the line. Like, look at all those people waiting. Like, they're going out of style. They need to get some help in here. Not that serious. I will go get me some shoes from Rainbow, and I will go get my perfume and stuff from a different store. Those sippy cups, you can find that in Marshall's. I'm just like, I'm about to sit in that store for another 45 minutes. Like, that's ridiculous. They need to get some help. Literally, they need help. Like, I would literally work there and like help them out. Like, that's crazy. I'm waiting 45 minutes in a line to get the same exact perfume somewhere else. I ain't got time. I only wanted it because they had a big bottle, but I'm about to sit up in that store and wait 45 minutes, hour and a half for that stuff. Hey, it's crazy. I'm inside of Ross now because I wasn't messing with that ratchet Burlington. Like, everything was everywhere. Then on top of it, to wait like 40 minutes, hour to get something. So I'm in Ross now, and I even put down the huge perfume that I wanted, which was Infinity Hearts, but the big one. But I was like, forget it. I'm not gonna even get that no more, because what the heck? But I just want to come back here and look. Oh my god, this would be so cute. They always got cute stuff in here. This is what I want to get. I used to wear this back in the day, the Air Hardy Hearts and Dragons. This stuff smells so bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna get this instead. And I already wore this before people stopped buying it, but this used to be my stuff and it smells so good. So y'all think I should get it? This is super cute. Super cute. They always have like nice artwork in here. Super cute. I don't know where I would put that though, because I already have like artwork in my place already. But that is so cute. So I finally made it to the gym because, oh my God, the store I went into was, like I said, was horrible. But anyway, I'm in the gym now, so I'm about to start working out because it's time. I have to work out. I have to lose at least a little bit of weight. So I'm about to work out, you guys. So that's what y'all about to look at. Sweating now, and I'm on a weight machine. I ain't been in here in a minute, but I know I was going through not working out and getting to working out. But when I do start working back out again, I like to make sure that I can do all I can within the time that I'm in here. So after this, I'm gonna go swimming because I like to swim. So that's what I'm gonna do after this. It's happening. See. Whoops. I just upside down. So people up in here. Let me show y'all the people. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get in the pool because the gym about to close at 8 o'clock. So I want to make sure that I get myself everywhere. So yeah. So it's time to get in the pool. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, you guys, so I arrived home and I'm about to cook. So I'm about to show you what I'm about to cook. The salad. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make this shrimp broccoli. So basically the concept is about to be shrimp fried I mean, shrimp fried. Chicken fried rice. This already made. And then I'm just gonna add some shrimp and broccoli. So I'm going to see how this is about to turn out. I know it's gonna turn out good. So yeah, I'll probably make a short video out of this, but yes. I'm about to try it out. So super excited to see how all this is gonna come out. So I hope it comes out good. Let this cook some more and then I'll come back when it's done. Look at my food. It looks so good. Like, it's giving restaurant quality. If y'all hear noise, that's the dishwasher. But y'all, you cannot tell me that that does not look good. Okay. Period. Yes, ma'am. I knew this was gonna be good. Yes. Shrimp fried rice made at home. So this is my plate, y'all. I'm definitely gonna be trying this again. Took about 15 minutes to make it, but yeah, this is my salad. Don't mind my nasty fork, but yeah, food's amazing. So I'm enjoying my dinner, and I'll probably pick the camera back up tomorrow. So I'm packing this for my lunch tomorrow, but y'all, that came out so good. I just wanted to show y'all in a container. So if you get the at-home container, if you use the P.F. Chang's at home, you get two plates out of it, so you can eat it for two. Or like me, I'm taking it for lunch tomorrow. This is what I got from Ross. Y'all excuse my hands. I'll be messing my hands up, but this is an old fragrance, y'all. I love this fragrance. This fragrance smells so freaking good. Let me show y'all what I got from Rainbow. Okay, you guys, if you guys hear some barking, that's the dog that's next door. But y'all, I found these super cute shoes at Rainbow. I thought these were so freaking cute, you guys. Like, first of all, I'm going to wear these to the club. I don't care, because I just thought they were super cute. So either I wear these to the club or I wear these outside, but these are definitely an eye catcher. As soon as I get my feet done, definitely an eye catcher. The light reflects off of them. So freaking cute, you guys. So these are gonna be like, I don't know, shoes that I wear out. Or yeah, I think I could wear these out, but I just thought these were so cute. And I got these shoes from Rainbow as well. These aren't as cute, but I love thong shoes, and the pair that I have from last year, I can't find it, but they're okay. But like, I'm going to either wear these next week, because I do want to go out to the club next week. Either wear these out next week or wear these I don't know, because I might slip and fall. So these might just be for like, you know, like a regular sunny day. But these, on the other hand, I could do some damage with these because they're in my, you know, like, they're comfortable. So yeah, I might wear those. And then I also got these shoes. I don't know what type of dupes these are supposed to be, but I got these as well. Thought those were cute. So this is what I got from Rainbow, and these were $12.99. These were $14.99. Whoops. Cord in the way. Gosh, always something. And then these were $12.99. So she was like, if you get two pairs for $12.99, then you get $10. So I paid $10 for both of these, and then these were $14. So yeah, those are my shoes that I had on my slides. But this is what I got from Rainbow. So I got 3 pairs of shoes. Thought I bought something else, but yeah, that's what I was doing, because if you guys were looking at the vlog earlier, I went to the store and I went to Burlington and they didn't have any shoes. So these are the shoes that I got.